Why can't middle-class people afford to hire an interior designer to improve their homes? Welcome back to Inspiring Homes FAQ YouTube video, where we explore topics that matter to everyday people. Today, we're diving into a subject that resonates with many middle-class individuals: the challenges of affording interior design services for home improvement. Before we delve into the reasons behind this struggle, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more insightful content. Let's get started. The cost conundrum. One of the primary obstacles faced by middle-class families is the significant cost associated with hiring an interior designer. These professionals often charge fees based on their experience, reputation, and the scope of the project. For many, allocating funds for these services becomes a tough decision when essential expenses like mortgage or rent, utilities, and education compete for the limited budget. Budgetary constraints. Middle-class households are often operating within tight budgets. With limited discretionary income, it becomes challenging to set aside funds for non-essential services like interior design. Families may find themselves prioritizing essential needs over home improvement, leading to a postponement of projects or opting for more budget-friendly alternatives. Embracing the DIY culture. In recent years, the do-it-yourself (DIY) culture has gained popularity. With the abundance of online tutorials and affordable home decor options, many middle-class individuals are choosing to take on home improvement projects themselves. This not only allows for cost savings but also provides a sense of accomplishment and personalization of living spaces. The perception of luxury. There's a prevailing perception that hiring an interior designer is a luxury reserved for the wealthy. This perception can discourage middle-class individuals from considering professional design services. The idea that interior design is an unnecessary expense, especially when facing immediate financial concerns, contributes to the reluctance to seek professional assistance. Lack of awareness. Another challenge is the lack of awareness regarding affordable design options. Some middle-class homeowners might not be familiar with the range of services offered by interior designers tailored to different budget levels. Dispelling the notion that these services are exclusively for the affluent is crucial to making them more accessible. Regional disparities. The cost of living and demand for interior design services can vary significantly by location. In areas where the cost of living is high or there's a strong demand for designers, the fees for these services may also be elevated. This regional disparity can make it more difficult for middle-class individuals in certain locations to afford professional design assistance. Shifting priorities. Middle-class families often juggle numerous competing priorities. Saving for the future, paying off debts, and investing in education may take precedence over spending on home improvement projects. The need to allocate resources strategically can lead individuals to postpone or forego hiring an interior designer, even if they aspire to enhance their living spaces. Exploring solutions and alternatives. While the challenges are evident, it's important to note that the landscape is evolving. Virtual design services and online platforms are emerging, providing more accessible and cost-effective alternatives for those seeking professional guidance within a budget. As the design industry continues to adapt and diversify, there's potential for bridging the gap and making quality design services more attainable for a broader range of homeowners. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of why middle-class individuals often find it challenging to afford interior design services for home improvement. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts and experiences. Until next time, stay inspired and keep creating beautiful spaces on a budget. Inspiring Homes FAQ is your go-to YouTube channel for cutting-edge content on innovative home designs, smart living solutions, and sustainable architecture. Dive into a world where AI-driven avatars guide you through the latest trends, expert advice, and inspiring stories, transforming houses into dream homes. Discover the future of living with us. #InspiringHomesFAQ #HomeDesignAnswers